Good morning, guys. Well, it's morning to me, probably not to you, because you could be watching this at any point in time. I was just sitting having my morning coffee. Whoops, sorry, that's the sun. And yeah, just was looking at the trees, and I was like, why don't I just get out and film? Why don't I just get out and film? Sorry, morning voice. It's not quite there yet. Yeah, so I thought, because we're in lockdown, can't really go many places, but I can still go down to the beach. So yeah, there's like this track that's just down here behind me, which I've been to since I've been back, but it was always a place as a kid I was kind of scared of, just because it kind of goes down into the bush. And I think I remember perhaps as a kid going down once or twice, but I'd always used to go to a different beach, which is kind of around the corner. But yeah, if you look down there, it's very dark and gloomy. And I remember there's a playground which is kind of up there. It used to be completely different, but so I used to come to the playground all the time. Yay, memories. Going down memory lane with you. So anyway, yes, used to come here for the playground, but always look down there as some ominous, like, weird other type of thing, So yeah, I thought there's a couple of things I wanted to do. One was, I think after doing all the art stuff, I thought it'd be good to get out. We're in lockdown, so exploring my local area is all I can do really at the moment. So yeah, thought I'd do that, but also because I'd been filming quite a lot of stuff for various things. I just filmed the art fair, and to make sure I got all the shots, I'm usually quite impatient with my filming, especially on the big camera. So generally speaking, I put it, there's various settings. If you don't know, you don't need to know, but I'd always put it on kind of slow motion, because my action of filming or movement is actually usually quite fast. So kind of wanted to put myself, or challenge myself, to do a very slow moving film, but not using slow motion. So basically I had been using sort of 50 frames per second, and now I just want to jump down to the normal, or the cinematic, 25 frames per second. For some of you that won't make any sense, but for some of you it will. So there you go. Yeah, at the moment actually I am filming on my iPhone, so that's kind of at the moment the talking head blah 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 section. But again, I'm always looking to streamline, so I don't know. Yeah, this is an experiment. It's a place I haven't frequented. Anyway, let's get on with it. I have done talking enough. Good. Yes. Okay. Down here somewhere is where I am going. Down here. And I'm tired. But yeah, a good way to kind of start the day off, rather than just looking at the trees. I might as well film some. Nice one, guys. Catch you later. Bug spray, very important. Okay guys, so just come down through the bush, down to a part which is known as Little Muddy Creek. It's given its name obviously because it's muddy. Yeah, it's like all mud flaps and mangroves. So yeah, not going to go down through there today. You can actually go all the way around here and like back around to my place and then to the next beach over, and then the next beach over there, which is, like I said, in another video. But the purpose of this was to kind of more do a really short cinematic sequence of just walking through the bush, or just coming through the bush, you know, and capturing it without using slow motion. So yeah, let me know what you think. I'll release this as a vlog, obviously with me talking. This is why you can hear me talking and see me talking. But I will also release it as a more of a just a cinematic sequence. Yeah, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Comment down below. And I will see you on the next one. I'm just going to head back up through the bush and probably start editing this now, I guess. Got not much else to do. We are on lockdown still. I think we come out tomorrow. Whee! And then it's freedom-ish. Cool, nice one guys. Wherever you are in the world, look after yourself and your friends and your family and your people. Keep safe, because it's a world out there. Nice one guys. Catch you later.